Hello everyone, welcome to you all. Today we are going to learn fastener. Types of fasteners with examples. So let us know what are fasteners. Materials that are used to join or combine two things to create a new useful objects are called fasteners. Here you can see the examples how the flower is fixed with the help of glue. So glue is acting as a fastener here. Here, how the shirt can close with the help of button. So button is a fastener here. But joints can be temporary or permanent. So based on joints, there are two types of fasteners, temporary fasteners and permanent fasteners. So let us know one by one with examples. Temporary fastener. The fastener which is removable and can be used again are called temporary fastener. As for examples, buttons, and where we can see these buttons in the folder, pants, shirt, bags, blazer, and in so many more objects button can be used as a fastener. Next one is zipper. We can see zipper is used in frock, jeans, pouch, bag, folder, and many more. Velcro is used in shoes, folder, slim belt, stripe. Mosquito net can be fixed with the help of Velcro. Let us have some more examples. Screw, nut, bolt are threaded fastener. All the threaded fasteners are temporary fasteners. You can remove when you want to remove it, and again you can reuse that screw and nut bolt. So this is a temporary fastener. Next one is clips, U-pins or paper pins, rubber band, board pins, safety pin, carabiner, cloth pins, push button. Next one is permanent fastener. The fastener which is once fixed cannot be removed or reuse the fastener. Such fasteners are called permanent fasteners. Let us have some examples of permanent fasteners. Welding. What is welding? Let's know. Metal can be joined by melting their edges and pressing them together when they are hot is called welding. This process is called welding. Next permanent fastener is soldering. Metals can be joined by melting a soft metal, usually a mixture of lead and tin, is called soldering. Now look at some more examples. Nails, rivets, they are non-threaded fastener. So all the non-threaded fasteners are permanent fasteners. Adhesive, some adhesive like glue, gum, Febi-stick, all these are permanent fasteners. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel for many more such upcoming videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.